as you can see right now, I have 2 order details in my spreadsheet. But let's say someone places a new order, instantly their order details will be added in the spreadsheet. I will show you how this automation is going to work. Then we are just going to check how to create this amazing automation. So as you can see, I've filled in all of my details. I've kept my name as new user. As you can see, I've kept this as the address and this as the email. So let me just click on this pay now, and you can see we have successfully purchased this necklace as new user. So let me just open my Google Sheets, and within seconds and in real time, over here is the order number, the customer name, the email, the phone, the product, the quantity, the total amount, and the status of the order. Further, my team can update the status directly from here. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add all these Shopify order details into your Google Sheets, that too within seconds, like I showed you right now. To do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using an amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. It can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I will suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how we can build this amazing automation. For that, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to search for Shopify. So you have to make sure that you search for Shopify and select Shopify V2. For the event selected as new order and click on this connect, you're going to receive the webhook URL. So copy the webhook URL and open your Shopify store. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this settings and then go on this notifications. Again from the left hand of the side. Now go on this webhooks and click on this create a webhook button. Select the event as order creation. So just search for order creation and select the same. For the format, keep it as JSON. For the URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the API version, select it as latest. Click on the save and your webhook URL is added successfully. This means that you've created a connection between your Pabbly Connect's workflow and Shopify. But it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we just have to purchase something from our store. Before I purchase something, I'm just going to switch off the previous workflow so that it is not going to automatically run and add the details. Okay. Now let me just purchase this cord set. For that, I'm just going to click on this buy it now, and I'm just going to enter all of these details to purchase the cord set. For the email, I'm going to keep it as jane@pabblytudes.com. For the first name, I'm just going to keep it as Jane, last name as user. As you can see, this as the rest of the details. Now for the method over here, I am just going to use the approve transaction method to create a test checkout. So for that, I'm just going to keep the card number as 1 and expiration as this right over here. And now for the security code, I'm just going to keep it as this. Now you can see for the name on the card, I'm just going to use Jane user and click on this pay now. Once I click on this pay now, you're going to see yes, thank you Jane, your order is confirmed successfully. So let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. As you can see that we have created a test order. Otherwise, you can wait until you receive a real order in real time to capture the response for the same. Now we are just going to add these details in our spreadsheet. For that, click on this add new action step, and then for the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now click on this add a new connection to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Click on this sign in with Google and select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe and secure with us, no need to worry. For the spreadsheet, select the spreadsheet in which you want to add the order details and then the sheet. Then one by one enter the order details, but you don't have to enter the order details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I am just going to map all the details right over here. And as you can see, one by one, you also have have to map all the details which you want to add in your spreadsheet. For the quantity, just put a slash, search for the quantity and map the details. For the amount, just put a slash, search for the total price, and then you can map the total price right over here, which is the amount. For the status, I'm not going to map it but enter it as manually as placed, because this is going to remain same for each order, because first status will be placed and then my team is going to update the status directly from here. Okay, so now let me just click on the save and send test request button, and we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the order details in our spreadsheet. And yes, the order details are added here, be it the order number, the customer name, the email, the phone, the product, the quantity, or the total amount. Now, like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever I'm just going to receive a new order, instantly the details will be added right over here. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget, RITYT is going to get you the maximum amount of discount in comparison to its the another discount coupon codes. Okay, so go try it first, and if you like it, do purchase the subscription plan. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.